Hey, Twisted M.
13 days after Christmas, and TechnoRV sent to me a Wi-Fi Cam Pro 2 and a Travel Berkey.
Nice.
So, we finally got a Berkey, and we bought it from TechnoRV.com. They're RVers that sell stuff that you may use in your RV. And the reason I ordered from them is whenever you order from them, they send you an email, what's called a learning series, which is a PDF, and they have videos on the Tube of View that shows you how to use such items. We'll do a later video on the Wi-Fi Cam Pro 2, which is basically just a Wi-Fi extender, shall we say, that you can use at RV sites to get better Wi-Fi. You get stronger Wi-Fi from the campground.
Love Wi-Fi.
But this is our Travel Berkey. Alright, so we've actually been wanting a Berkey for a long time.
Long time.
When Doug Bug gets back, we'll let her talk about how long. And we just never pulled the trigger, but we finally did. So, if you've never seen a Berkey, it is a water purification system. We got the travel one, which is about 1.5 gallons.
Mm-hmm.
It's got
1.5. So they're right there.
Point to it.
It's right here on the side.
That's right here on the side.
1.5.
1.5 gallons. Right there. So it's perfect size for your RV. Unless you have plenty of money and have like a big, motorhome. But for ours, this is going to work good. So we're going to unbox it, put it together, show you how easy it is to put together, and fill her up and get her ready to go. She's not impressed. She's a teenager.
You said fill her up.
She's invaded by aliens. So this is what comes in the Berkey. A bunch of stainless steel cans. We got to figure out how to get in this thing. Ooh, there's the lid. Look at that, it's little.
Is it?
Little.
Hold on, I'm trying to fill out these on.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, as a teenager, she has to fix her hair to put a hairnet on.
It's supposed to all fit in there.
It is.
There we go.
Down in Large Ladyland. Alright, so there's the lid. I think the lid disappeared. Alright, so we're continuing to unwrap. Has a non-slip rubber seal, so it doesn't slide.
Yep. That is so cute.
Can you plug it for a second? Yeah, so this is the tough part, evidently.
Why does our kid look like a lunch lady?
Alright.
Say, I got some sloppy joes for you.
There's the bottom chamber. There's the upper chamber. Where's the lid? Lunch lady, where's the lid? Here's the instructions.
Oh, that is a lot of words.
There is the spigot. And the top.
black Berkey?
And these are the filters.
It's like a builder crowd. Take my lunch while you got off.
So the first thing we're going to do, according to the instructions, and according to the learning series from TechnoRV, we're going to put the knob on the lid. Talking about working under pressure.
Is that a little close?
Might make any strange shapes with my mouth. Please ignore. Alright, lid's on. We've got plenty of space so we can actually leave ours on. The next thing we have to do is charge the filters. And the way you do that, it comes with this charging ring. You put it on there like that and hold it up to your faucet until water starts coming out the filter. I don't know, you want a video of that because we got. Alright, next is the spigot. There's the spigot. There is a washer that's flat on one side, conical on the other. You put the flat part on there. And to get this tight and watertight, they say put it on like that. Then there is a washer. So you just want to put the nut on hand tight. Well, as tight as your hands can do. And I'll show you the reason we put this at a angle like we did. So that's tight. And then you twist it one more turn, holding the nut. And that should be watertight. Alright, so let's recap. Top's on, spigot's on. Now we have to charge the filters. Basically, this is called the charging something. Not really sure what it's called. You put it on the inner filter, you turn your water on, turn it on slowly, hold this up against it, and you run it until water is coming out of the filter. So that's done. So now we install them in the upper chamber. Because the way the Berkey works, put your filters in here, fill this up, filters down into the bottom. Let's put the other washers on. I got that right in the middle of the hole. So now it's just time to fill it up.
Point it down.
That's as much as I got. Right about where the filters are. And there we go. And I can hear it draining already, filtering already. Draining.
So it just drains, goes through the filter, water filters.
Yep.
So what's actually in the water filters?
Don't know.
Oh, magic.
It makes it pure though.
So you could go out to the pond out back and grab water
Yes.
and throw it in there.
Yep. They also make a fluoride and arsenic filter that goes on the bottom of those filters. I didn't order those. I figured we'd try this first, see how it goes.
I need any more fluoride in my body.
So that is our Berkey water filter, all put together. Currently filtering purified water. Don't forget,
Comment, like, subscribe, hit that little bell. Ding, ding, ding.
to get notified when our new videos come out.
And comment if you've never heard of a Berkey or if you've heard of Berkey. I'm curious of who knows outside. We watch a lot of RV videos. I watch a lot of oil videos. it's really popular in those circles of
Yeah.
people. And I'm just curious, like, who knows about them outside those circles or who's heard about it before. So comment anyway down below.
What you think? Are you thinking about one? Do you have one?
And go follow our Instagram and Facebook. Both are at Twisted M Living.